we decided that we wanted to do a slight interview today just to show you the quality of the microphone. So we call this mic check 1, check 2, check 3. We have Mario Jr. on the video right here, and we're pretty much just looking out in the atmosphere, trying to see what it looks like on a Monday morning. I think it's pretty gorgeous. You know, looking out there, you can see the boats, yachts in the bay, and you know, you have the nice beautiful buildings, highways right there. You know, I guess someone's trying to do their exercise. But you know, on a typical Monday like this, we try to relax after having breakfast, chill a little bit, and have a little fun, I guess. I hope you guys enjoy this one. See you later.